We hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Everybody on the floor now, ha! Everybody push out them phone now, ha! Anybody moves collaborate, yo! And if remember the money in, sir! A matter of fact, everybody in one room. Nobody now get to this in the bathroom. Hold on. This is not a cartoon.
Introduce yourself to the world. Introduce yourself to the world.
Good Life. Me name body name. Otherwise Marco. Dexta Daps second.
Oh. See, introduce yourself, my general.
Good Life, you don't know, you know. Essence, wholesale bosses, you see me?
Yeah.
Dance Lancaster, now we are keep the place good. Living a good life.
Yeah,
right. Get to you.
It's a good split in the roll up.
And we in Seaview. Phase 1. I would have found land. HQ.
Rich.
Hey, so we are give them a preview. In a Seaview.
Bad bro, sir.
Vader Entertainment.
Yeah.
Them here.
Let them know now.
Clear. One of the baddest record label in the world. Just look out for 2020. We produce a conscience when you win. Yeah, whole heap and more.
Introduce yourself.
Vader Bass Attack, otherwise known as DJ Roots, a usual select for rebel tone sound from Canada. You're deaf.
Challenge gonna give them a preview because we're Phase 1. Seaview.
Vietnam.
See it there.
Happy Boulevard. Happy Street. Happy Road.
Why don't call it Happy Boulevard?
Yeah, so the happiness there. Yeah, so the happiness there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Every artist a road in the scheme want find it. Yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir.
Right now, I'm brand new studio build. So even worse.
Yeah, see it there.
Name Deadly Beats. So they have to go find where? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Seaview.
Yeah. So, what inspired you to do the music?
Alright. Inspiration from my brother. Because grew up, so we bigger brother play sound from a longer while, so I like it.
Yeah.
So, the usual carry up and down in the ghetto, because I don't know Walter Muban. Then usually carry a tone and all about anywhere in play, because the sound did name Super Dexta Daps. Them time they are vinyl, turntable, you know nothing about CD and them some of them times. So as a little youth, watching him as a mixer, idolize him as my bigger brother, want to follow in his footsteps. So I just step in the music because of him though. And eventually I just keep on doing it. And right now, him not doing it right now. that far in otherwise 95 and me I do music
Same way.
Yeah. Step from the selecting side and gone and producing where now be the entertainment though.
Yeah.
Go for whole heap of production there, you know.
I would definitely look out for you. You know, you get everybody get a preview.
And then you're in a Seaview now, where a bass star come from Seaview. Shabba, Ranks, Bounty, Killer, Elephant, Man, name them. General B, Nicky Koche, Boom Dante, Mike, Seaview, Dexta Daps, Black Man, now you have Wilful, Skillfull, enough younger artists coming. Don't know the thing, Seaview have whole heap of star. Producer, video personnel, MC, artist itself, anything to do with music.
Seaview.
Yeah.
Oh man. Pick up yourself, man. You see me, because you don't know any music, you know.
Man, he started Willful, Skillful.
Willful. Skillful.
Giant.
Yeah man, Wilful.
Y'all is trophy.
See there?
Yeah man, dominate. Know the thing of full of girls, same mouth, whole heap of new music coming, you see it? Big dreams are released tomorrow. Yeah. Out there, homegrown, Seaview Gardens, manager Lance Dacaster, you know the thing going. Yeah man,
and
check
life.
me out on the Instagram, willful, skillful, _ dominate music, you see it? Facebook, willful, skillful, YouTube, willful, skillful, Vivo.
So tell them why them call you willful, skillful.
Yeah, because me, you know, my music different, you know. Me, the talented, multi, and I'm just one talent. Yeah, sing, dance, DJ, play football, everything, cricket, basket. Anything when you said ready, man, you see it? Double longer, you see it?
Yeah, give them a skillful feature there so I go on. Jamaica Good Life, you know.
Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Perseverance is the key to success, not just to reach his success. Man, have to sleep with no stress. Be able to ask if me not reach the bus, yet and as me reach the bus, I can't believe the bus. We know easy if it dominate, so we easily nominate. So, who are you go on yet? Watch it, let me elevate. Yeah man,
willful, skillful.
Full of girl like sea, full of sun, full of girl like this, full of fun. Full of girl like bang, full of grand. Willful have more than 250,000. Watch ya. Have a bag of girl at summer stay. Girl want married fly down, she don't see me on the wedding day. Baby mother cost me heavy day. Say me need God in me, Adventist like 7 day. Yeah man.
Shallow, talented overload.
Yeah man.
So how long now you do this music?
You know me I do music from
Youth stage.
4, 5, 7 them age group there. Shabba Ranks and Elephant man, them usually call me up on stage, from usually sing them song. R.I.P. to Uncle Fly. Uncle usually keep treat and them thing there, you see it?
A long time you there around, man.
Yeah, man, a long time I do it, man, but 2008, I really take it serious and done with football, sir. When I lose the winning of my family, Tiger Fly, you see it?
Yeah, R.I.P.
start. R.I.P. when I start foot, all of them take them together. You know, say, yo, time is now, you know, from this, I never look back.
Okay.
And each year I see it.
Yeah.
Keep moving and moving because me I hurt.
Yeah. So that's the push where you get on the drive.
Growth. It's like the mango, the green on the tree until
it's
ripe one day because they on the tree too long.
Yeah, true. Yeah, man, so
put in work, man, and I give thanks to life. So look at son,
him
me and work hard for my mother, is it?
Yeah.
No, I let him down, no time.
Which is right.
Anti-Karen, you see it? Yeah, man. Them
support the locals, them same way. Blessings, auntie.
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah,
Alright,
good life.
Alright.
Okay. Yo.
Going to the studio. So we have the artists them here. Lance, management, artists, load. Here's one over there.
deadly beat studio. So we are saying goodness, the right. Whenever they have this now, we have this now. So we are saying beneficial to a lot of youths in it. See, enough to think about we never used to go on. Enough to use the benefit, we never used to benefit. So we are saying, so he a youth like me, turn a producer, Richards turn a producer because of the same set of people them way. Round here we get children, the one Ray, Dexta Daps, Boss and Blackman and the Rhymes and Wilful and the whole of them, Skillfull, Acoustic and the whole of them. Oh. So we are saying, enough youth start follow them, no one is Eric right round them by eating dub plates, whatever. Enough youth have right now, enough youth have build them little parents' house, no one have build them little one single room. Enough youth have can buy a bed now easy. Yeah, and that's the thing there right now, you see. Yeah, man, a natural thing, man, that's natural life, you see.
It's not
and that's the goodness of the youth, the artists, the just do everything natural.
So at least this will help them off the streets, you know, a direction.
Yeah, man, them off of the street, man, look around now. Enough for them there,
enough for them there already.
When did them on the street. So one of them here, off of the street, switch for him there now.
Artists.
Big direction. You know the thing.
Them are artists as well. Introduce yourself, my general.
A lot of things, man.
My name Ram Kush, man.
Ram Kush. My general. Rich Ross.
Not forward,
yeah, man.
You know what thing right now?
Man. Every time, man. Big up here, sorry, go.
Jamaica
Good Life. Deadly beat.
See there, Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Good Life with there, you see?
See there.
That's it there.
That's it there.
Them program there on for watch. Jamaica Good Life. And I eat this naturally.
Naturally.
You see it?
See it there.
Yeah, you there, check out that you can name Bean. But next multi-million name that next bigger things. Enough you can feed and find.
Which one?
Yeah, well, this is Richie Bud from Seaview, you know, Richie Bud, the city god, the lyrical principal, representing, you know what I mean? And them for no, grab and to know the rhyme them is. Yeah, man, they are keep it real, a deadly beat studio, that's how we do it, you know what I mean? In a real life.
Real life.
In a real life. As it's one artist and to a young upcoming artist.
Second thing. Oh yeah, deadly beat, yeah?
True.
Yeah, what I mean, say, we not born in a nice life, no gold spoon, we not know about joyride. Never grew up as a spoiled child, but we not see them and wait down, we have to go outside. Yeah, man, say it.
Yeah, man, and them for know, as we tell you before, Richie Bud the city god ready to kick down some doors. I want to tell you, some boy them love sweet too much. Yeah, some boy them love sweet too much. My friend them want me born them, so me now make them come now. Yo, them a real sweetie bar. I know the man from the way young and jump in them car. Real sweetie bar. Even though the man making money, I want done it in a style. Real sweetie bar. But watch how them man up and puff up like a them a shell the bar. Real sweetie bar, we say. Real sweetie bar.
It's not enough, no. Not enough, no. It's not enough, no. Hey, keep stacking up, no. Stacking up, no. Stacking up, no. It's not enough, no. Not enough, no. It's not enough, no. Hey, keep stacking up, no. Stacking up, no. Stacking up. Get your body. Real friends weekends, frequent flight. Benz J1, press that drive. Living in the sky,
yeah, man, I see that show, yeah. See that show, yeah, loud, bust the cloud, very proud. And them for no tune in. Jamaica, cleanest screen.
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life, you know what I mean? You don't want to live another life, good life.
The good life.
I remember Richie Bud the city god representing loud and proud. That thing, yeah, I gotta get very, very loud.
Yeah, man.
Let me tell you.
Deadly beats.
Deadly beats. The bad artist is. Up top, my general. Bad artist.
Being loyal, man. Come up close, cause my voice host.
Alright.
Come on, we have a drink and toast. But you wanna Jamaica Good Vibe. You know the thing already. Being loyal I represent, you see me?
Sure.
Yeah, man. We use girl, get girl. It's a thing where girl is do. Just give it a try. I need to work, I promise you. If she have a own thing, what she a tattoo? Your ex a text when did a malice you. Jamaica Good Life. I didn't loyal I represent. Do it, man.
Yeah, deadly beats. Good love. I say artist too. Yeah? Seriously, I give them a introduce yourself. Are you not shy?
Never suit. Bad beat.
See, I have that lyrics book. Your lyrics chemist, listen up. We are working on. Something new you are working on? You're working on something new?
Life rough, but I still like one pave the way. So when the stuff come to studio, I don't hesitate. Now no father had the brave face, but no worry daddy, soon we are going to celebrate. Mommy just want to feel. Your daughter soon make a change. Oh, use the music, rearrange the brain. System fuck up, so we are forward and them close the gate. But soon them are going to know we face, know we need, we can't erase. And even if we pass, we still remain. Put in the passion and we change the game.
That minute. Yeah. How old are you?
19.
19?
Yep.
So how long do you start this music thing?
When I'm 16, I sing after.
Yeah. Okay. So it's in your blood, in your family, or
yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, mother used to sing on them.
Okay, so she get it from?
Yeah, she can sing.
Yeah, and she look like too?
Yeah.
Big up yourself. So you're there at Deadly Beats. So we like it, don't stop him. Yeah?
Yeah.
Big up.
She was spoiled.
Yeah. So how long now that studio open?
1 month now.
1 month.
Yeah man, good life.
Good life.
That's how we think that.
Yeah man, Jamaica Good Life.
Good life, we said. A good life.
No, straight. Tell her, Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah man, Jamaica Good Life.
Subscribe,
you know. It's Jamaica Good Life.
right? Subscribe.
Just subscribe, Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow him on Facebook.
Yeah?
Yeah,
so she know about it?
Tell me already once.
Alright, see you.
Yeah, follow him on Facebook.
Alright, big up yourself.
No English.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life.
Good life.
Good life.
It's a good life. You know, Lance, boy, you're ex-footballer, what go on? Yeah, tell them say you're...
No, we're in business and management. This time, all of us work on one, you know.
See there.
We are guiding the way to go, you see me?
National League baller.
National League ball.
Win Premier League.
Greatest of arts and hilarious.
Let me see it.
Still have to eat. Still have to go.
Yeah, here design. See there.
Still have to go, you see me?
Still on it. Marketing.
Still have to do.
From football to music.
But the transition, you know.
All we are do they do.
Same way.
When we see it. Yeah,
you understand?
Fool them go call the name. Should have known send them a go fall down the drain. Gunshot to make a fall just like a rainer. What them go do? Memorize the thing them. Don't make me understand. Something just come down in us some container. Oh, them police are not sorry. I run the air. Memorize and try to do that. Make ourselves a boss of fear. But Jamaica Good Life, we smoke some weed, we see beam, and a whole of vibes. Be royal, I'm a friend them. That's how we do it thing. Straight with the bed. I hope you all come create. Straight with the bed. I hope you all come create. I forgot them. Keep him up in a close, me girl and half stuff of that. Yeah, bring the zoom, come a bad man for a rough of that. And half will rip because it's solid like a rock. And then the girl make it, they have to come back. Yeah, think and then you talk while you show me what you got it. You can't miss me, you zoom in, never find your shot. Yeah, you got this cocky lock. Shake it like a rocky lock. When the body make you zoom in, girl, like a cabin. Real life.
Real life.
That's a free life.
You got good life.
It's a good life. We have good vibes.
Word. So that's one of the things them to look out for, right?
And them for know, so yeah, indeed. One of the things them for look out for. Book out for. Yeah, man, February, them stuff there come. That's one of the things in the pipeline, you get me?
Yeah. What website them can find it on?
You know, say, Richie Bad Music. Instantly, no scratches.
Facebook?
You know what I mean? Instagram. Big millionaire and all these things. Yeah, man, I want to song with them. Big millionaire. You know what I mean? And right now we have an underground song right now where my friend them said I'm not going to know if we can go up on the ear, but I give them an ear.
Clean.
What me do? Stepping at the bunk like a big millionaire with me fat Rolex and all I brush back my ear. Attach a case, step by the side with 45 then in here. Charge it in the next line like a blind man and a steer. Boom! Lick up now the security like him not here. The sound, the security from me watch him did a steer. Charge it, blink him eye. That make the coast clear. So me ready for what? Jab nuclear. No! Everybody on the floor now. Ha! Everybody push out them phone now. Ha! Anybody moves collaborate, yo. And if you remember the money in short, a matter of fact, everybody in a one room. Nobody now get to visit the bathroom.
Hold on.
This is not a cartoon.
This is no, continue, you said. Oh, put on.
You know, I dead beats of the body speaking straight.
Yes, shit.
What me do? Stepping at the bunk like a big millionaire with me fat Rolex and all I brush back me. Attach a case by my side, the 45 the in here. Charge it in the next line like a blind man and a steer. Boom! Lick up that the security like him not here. The song, the security, come me watch him with a steer. Charge it, blink him eye. That mean the coast clear. So me ready for what? Jab nuclear. No! Everybody on the floor now, ha! Everybody push out them phone now, ha! Anybody moves collaborate, yo. One of you remember the money insure. Matter of fact, everybody in a one room. Nobody now get to visit the bathroom. This is a robbery. This is another cartoon. So mess around and lose your life like a baboon. Ha! I'm gonna rob the bank of Jamaica, and that's the only way I see it. So you see it? I'm gonna rob the OJ, cause I ain't got no J.O.B. No, I'm gonna rob the bank of Jamaica, and that's the only way I see it. So you see it? I'm gonna rob the OJ, cause I ain't got no J.O.B. I'm gonna shot. If plan A fail, me have to work with plan C. Cause the 5 for them done a pre-plan B. Hey, charge it, nobody get shaky. You have the blueprint, yes, fast it, give me. A long time I have a underground channel a pre. Now watch it sewage water, that is nothing to me. From long as the water not touch the money. What you say, charge it, oh you mean party. So them go surround the bank and block the road and look for we. But we left them at the bank, escaping at the... Jesus Christ.
Show me here.
Show me here. You know.
Yeah, man, I hold up a story, you know.
Yeah, say, man.
I dream, I dream, you know.
Yeah.
I dream, I dream.
Right now.
Jump in the getaway boat and escape free. And I laugh and I pre my life like celebrity. Charging in my floss and in my sip NSC. But wait, the boat a shape. No star me they a see. When me look a shorty, say dog you have a bad dream. Dog you have a bad dream. Remember your stage show a whole tree. Dog, you have a bad dream. I'm gonna rob the bank of Jamaica.
The bank of Jamaica, big truth.
That's all I was. Great life. Good life. You know what I mean?
Good life. Willful, skillful.
But they are dead to be
good life.
Tired of separation, I want to live some good life.
Yeah.
Real vibe.
No joke.
No joke.
I'm searching for a good life, yeah.
Alright.
I'm searching. Jamaica, myself, I want a good life, yeah. Searching for a good life, yeah. I'm searching, rehearsing. I'm searching for a better way. I want it now. Road clear up, me still I walk it, yo. But me not carry water in a basket now. I'm a goal, me a target. I'm searching for a better way. So me not sit down. Me a rise to the occasion and go for my own. Man, I be hunted for my daughter and also my son. Them never know say I can this done, though. For me little bit I know them tell me better I go come. But the only thing me see I'm more gun and blood I run. A bass like me see I go and a jam down. You see the man for help him brother up, I help him. I wonder when the crab in a barrel leave it till I go done. Or when some get to youth I go stop, move down. Take the chain off of your brain and gain your freedom. On off and listen to the DJ song. I'm searching for a better way. Me want it now. Road could have rough, me still a walk it, yo. But me not carry water in a basket now. I'm a goal, me a target. I'm searching for a better way. So me nah sit down. Me a rise to the occasion and go for my word. Man, I feel haunted for my daughter and also my son. Them never know say I got this done. Watch out. Democracy suck and you not fi ask no one. The minimum wage a drive no people mad. And the said system make good youth can rob and can shoot and stab and can loot and rob. Them never want listen to loot and song. Junior gun song. We teach truth from wrong. And meds and write new brand song. Man I go follow them in a them bang around. I'm searching for a better way. Me want it now. Road good enough, me still a walk it yo. But me not carry water in a basket now. I'm a goal me a target. I'm searching for a better way. So me nah sit down. Me a rise to the occasion and go for my own. Man I feel hurt it for my daughter and also my son. Them never know say I got this done. Hey, from nothing to something. So me see I'm 20 kind and plenty time when me never have a dime. My mother said no give up cause the limit is the sky. So me no dig it up and live it up and always a try. Like Buju Banton me say boom bye bye. Must say that's why I didn't use it then I give me a lie. Like Bob Marley man I fi stand up with them rice in a diggy dig and man I fi survive. I'm searching for a better way. Jamaica Good Life.
I don't know your name again.
Richie Bad, the city guy, the lyrical principal, and if them ask why I say bad because you're lyrically bad.
And I see him with them, same name, them find it on YouTube, Richie Bad.
Yeah man, Richie Bad Music. And right now the YouTube line up. You can take me on Instagram and I drop some new band.
Which is Richie Bad.
Yeah, man, Rich Bass Production, them man, is it? Look out for them suit up a road. Yeah, really. Yeah man. I really gonna go like
Willful, skillful. Petras. Let them know.
Yeah, then the beats through the people. Welcome, they get to me, I said, where?
Heartbeat beating down the street.
One Army Entertainment.
One Army.
Seaview. Outside. Yeah. One or two right now, I see.
Alright, give them a preview.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.